Is this why your business is not making $10,000 per month? This is huge, yet few marketers even think about it until they're months into their business and wondering why they're not making the big money. Yet it's pretty darn obvious to anyone else on the outside looking in at the business. Here's what you need to ask yourself right now: is your business actually capable of making $10,000 per month? And the advanced question, can your business be scaled up to $50,000 a month, or more? Here's what I mean: if your only product is a $7 ebook, odds are you are not going to crack $10,000 per month unless you sell the heck out of affiliate programs. To earn $10,000 a month, you need 1428 buyers each month purchasing that $7 ebook. Then there's your traffic. Are you getting enough people to your sales pages each month to earn $10,000 per month? Even if you have high-ticket items to sell, you still need people who can find and buy those items. If your basic structure isn't in place to earn the kind of money you want to earn, then it won't matter what your product is, how great your sales copy might be, or how ingenious your sales funnel is. It has to be physically possible for you to make 5 figures in your business, or it simply won't happen. Think about a car. If you want to go 100 miles per hour, but you've got an old jalopy that tops out at 50 miles per hour, you will never, ever get to 100 miles per hour in that car no matter how long you drive it. It's the same in your business. You have to set it up to make the kind of money you want to earn. You need enough products and services to sell to people each month to make your target. This is why you see marketers selling coaching, membership programs, creating high-ticket products and so forth. You need different price points for different people. Give them options to upgrade and spend more money, lots more money, with you. Or focus on building a responsive list that pays attention to you and buys your affiliate offers. That can work too. Know that you'll have to continually add fresh blood to your list each and every month and deliver tons of value that makes them trust you when you send them to affiliate offers. Think of it this way: you have to be in the game and playing it for all it's worth to win the game. To earn $10,000 a month, you've got to offer $10,000 worth of stuff to the right audience, targeted and big enough to buy it. Always be creating new offers. Always be creating new buy buttons. And always be selling something. When you send out your next email tomorrow with the awesome info, put a link in there to buy something. When you post on social media, send them to a page where they can join your list so you can then sell them something. When you create your next sales funnel, put an upsell or 2 in there. When you write your next blog post on how to do something, tell them about the shortcut you offer, or the done-for-you solution you have available. Structure your business so that it is possible to earn $10K per month. And then grow it some more. Never rest on your laurels. For more marketing tips and case studies like this one, please subscribe to our marketing newsletter.